How to install a home surveillance system, your step-by-step guide to installing a home surveillance system by HowExpert. If you want to discover how to set up a home surveillance system with a laptop, webcam, and mobile phone, then check out the How to Install a Home Surveillance System now. This step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to create your own home surveillance system for free. This method is easy and quick to set up for any newbie. You don't have to sign up for an expensive alarm system. You can check your house with your own mobile phone. All you need is your own computer, PC, Mac or laptop, webcam, and your mobile phone. Table of contents. Chapter 1, Introduction. Chapter 2, The Importance of Surveillance. Chapter 3, What you will need. Chapter 4, How to set up your camera. Chapter 5, How to set up your stream. Chapter 6, How to access your surveillance footage. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.